I've got it here and out, and this time we'll be doing a little algebra. I'm not explaining the full bit of algebra in this video, of course, because, well, that would make it too long, and I do not have long in the math videos and like the other videos because of, well, I know, I've probably told you. So I'm going to be doing the most simple algebra thing. Try and answer this for yourselves. I'll give you a little time to answer it, don't worry. Pause it now. Yeah, pause it now to have a go. Okay, you see 4x, it says 4x, and that's, by the way, the x is just drawn like that in algebra. And in algebra, you do realise x equals 5, and the 4 is 4x. So 4, because the way you do multiplication in algebra is different, because you'd usually just draw like maybe 4 times 5. Like so over here. Not here. Basically, it's just 4x. It's just how to hide the way 4, 5, because then it would just look like 45. So that means you have to do 4 times 5. Because that's just how it is in algebra. You do, and then after you do 4 times 5, you have to do that first. Yes, you definitely have to do that first. 4 times 5 is 20. Then you do that 20, take away 15, and then that's 5. That's how it is. That's how algebra multiplication is. Now, I'll still keep x equals 5. Then we'll do x plus 7. I'll give you some time. So, yeah, pause the video. Yeah. Now, time up. The answer is... yes, because x is just 5. So that just translates to 5 plus 7. Now. Now I'm going to do... This is a little harder. Pause the video now. Okay, so the answer is 6, because you know x equals 5, so you do a 5 take away 4, but, which equals 1, by the way. Then, the 1, how you have to add the 1 by x, which is 5 again, to get 6. Now, there is actually another version that's similar to this, which I'll cover in a future algebra episode. Anyway, x this time equals 70. And this is how, now, we do x over 35. And I'm going to give you probably a very complex question. Pause the video and have a go. Oh yeah, I did just change the number, by the way. So now pause it. Okay, how are you going to work this out? Basically, the way you do because x over 35 means 70 divided by 35, because x equals 70, and that's how that works. Which is 2, Then you do 2 plus x, which is again 70. Which is again, yes, 70. So you get 72. And after 72, 72 plus 5, which is the last step, gives your answer as 77. And that's how all of the main 4 operations are portrayed in algebra. But there's one thing. There's one other version of algebra that we'll go over in a future video, as these videos are already pretty short. They're already pretty quick on their own. Okay, as you know this, you know one thing that's different? Here's a hint for what's next video. If this over here was gone, and you had to find the answer, and the answer was given out to you, but you had to find out what what I'm talking about in the next part of this algebra adventure, as I can't go over every step because algebra is very big. So bye bye.